Hello guys, welcome to Education Mark. In this video, we'll talk about Accenture. Accenture is hiring for 2021 batch. So in this video, I will talk about complete procedure of Accenture, what will be the eligibility criteria and what will be the round for clearing Accenture exam. And also we will talk about the syllabus for Accenture 2021. Before starting video, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel so you can get more update like this type of job recruitment videos. 2021 direct hiring. So job role is associate software engineer, and if you want to read about the company, then you can read from here. After that, you should have these type of skills like developing software end to end across all the layers. So you should also have knowledge in front end, back end, and you should have good coding, hands-on coding experience in writing code, front end, back end, database. Now all these things you should have. Also you should have knowledge in frameworks. You should have proficient in problem solving skills or a proficient in verbal and communication skills. So you should have all these skills if you are applying for Accenture. So eligibility criteria for Accenture. So you should have a degree B in BTech, and all branches or streams are eligible. If you are a 2021 base pass out, then you can apply. Aggregate percentage which you should have during academics 65% or a 6.5 CGPA till 6th semester. Gap in education, so minimum 1 year of gap education is allowed post your 10th. And after that, candidates should not appear for Accenture from last 6 months. So if you applied for Accenture in last 6 months, then you cannot apply for this. And talk out selection procedure. So if you are eligible, then you will get the invitation mail from the Accenture for online assessment. So this test will be scheduled in 2 stages. You have to must completed all of the stage to get the job in Accenture. And mock test, so you will get a first mock test of 20 minutes, so you can practice on that mock test what type of question Accenture will give to you. And after that, first round, so there will be 2 or 3 round for Accenture. So first round is a cognitive or a technical assessment. So there will be 90 minutes you will get in this round, and 50 question. And the question is based on English ability, analytical reasoning, and numerical ability. So second one, technical assessment. So in this assessment you will get a 40 technical question, common application, and MS Office, pseudocode, and fundamentals of networking, security, and cloud. And so you will get MCQs in these topics. So second thing is, when will you get result for first round? So cognitive and technical assessment result will be noticed within 5 or 10 minutes post completion of this round. And after that, the person who cleared first round will be allowed for second round, or you will get a link for that. If we talk about a cutoff, then Accenture have a sectional cutoff, so you have to clear all the section for further round. So after clearing a cognitive or technical test, you have to clear the coding test. So after that, if you talk about second round, then second round is coding assessment. The duration of this assessment is 45 minutes, and you will get 2 questions in this section. And you will get languages C, C++, .NET, Java, and Python. So you can do coding in these languages. And after that, third round, if you cleared both of the round, then you will get a link for this round. The duration of this round is 30 minutes, and you will get a separate email for this. And the question asked on the topic of vocabulary fluency, pronunciation, and sentence mastery. So after clicking on the link, you will get this page, registration form. So you have to click here for 2021 batch, because 2021 batch is only allowed in this. And so how did you hear about us? And you have to fill normal details, and here you have to fill the registration or enrollment number of your university, and mobile number, and normal details you have to fill for this. And after completing all of the details, you have to click on all the checkbox, and after that click on a submit button. So thank you guys. If you feel that this video is beneficial for you, then please like the video, subscribe the channel so you can get more update like this type of job videos. Thank you.